Kiharo-ini kia Furahasi nikuo turacemania na timu ino na iria kiumia kihituku iriga kuhotana ta kirabu ngothi bururi-ini hingo ya kihitahitano gia timu cia andu aria mari na wathe uyu mbitika iria ciahanĩkĩire kiharo-ini kia Furaha kaunti-ini ya Naikuru. Timu ino na iria ikoretwo igikuruhania na mbitika ngurani kuma mwaka-ini wa 2016 yumbitwo ni mwana kuma cigo ngurani cia Naikuru na aria macemanagia kiharo-ini giki umuthi wa kiumia meharĩria-ini ma mbitika itiganĩte ta uria kapteni wa timu ino Dominic Ruto aratariria.
Before he played for the Nakuru club, but now he has advanced to the national level together with his all 10 players, including him, to become 11. So he's very happy. So they are planning on June to go to Nairobi, and then the teams from other countries will be coming to play for the African Cup. So he's saying the team is very ready. As you can see, the team is very ready for the game.
Gukiri uguo athaki aya ni mathingatite ministry ya mathako kugia na mubango wa kuhaririria mbitika nyingi makiria cia athaki aya makiuga nyota wao ni gukorwo na ligi ya gibururi.
Before they planned for 15 teams to come for the national tournament, but the team reduced to 5 teams only. So 10 teams did not come. So he's saying the tournament was not satisfying as they had planned, so he wants more.
Nikumana na kio kiao na maumirira magaciru nigu athaki 11 kuma timu ino marikitie kwamurwo kuingira timu-ini ya gibururi ya athaki aria mari na wathe.
So now the Nakuru team has also been selected 11 players to play for the national league for the African football. In Africa, for the African football.
Kameme TV haro-ini kuma kaunti ya Naikuru ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa maina.